So before Laurel came into her appointment, I requested that she sent in a couple photos of her eyes and face so that I can pre-plan her set. So I've already done all my pre-planning, but I wanted to pull up my Procreate app and show you exactly what I want to do on her today. Okay, so I've pulled up an up-close photo of Laurel's eyes, so we're gonna walk through her mapping. So one thing to note about Laurel is that she does have very deep set eyes. You can see that she has a protruding brow bone here. So this automatically tells me that I want to steer clear of strong curls. The reason why is because if we use, say, a D or DD curl, we run the risk of those curls curling back into the brow bone and causing discomfort. So using weaker curls are definitely the go here. So you can see that she does have pretty straight natural lashes up until about this point here. So I might switch to CC curl on the outer corners just for additional lift, but I think I'm going to use C curl for the majority of the set. And I'm going to stick to shorter lengths on her just because Laurel hasn't had lashes in a very long time and I don't want to scare her away from the lash world. So we're going to stick to, I think, 5 millimeters on that inner corner. And then we're going to jump up to 6, 7, 8, 9. And the shaping that I'm choosing for her today is more of a natural shape. She doesn't need a whole lot of correction. Her eyes aren't super open, but they're not super closed either. So I just want to follow the shape of her crease and create more of a sunset shape. I think that'll look really nice on her. So I might use 10 as my longest length, but because I haven't lashed Laurel before, I might adjust that. I might need to use 11s or 12s. I'm definitely gonna be okay with pivoting a lot throughout this set because I have a lot to learn about her lashes and features. Even as far as my tweezer choices and glues, those might switch up throughout the set as well. Again, just because I have a lot to learn. So just know that if you're ever working on a new client or you're trying a new style, that it's totally okay to pivot and make adjustments throughout the set. I also think I'm gonna go for soft texture. We're not gonna go crazy and do spikes or anything like that. I think I'm gonna keep it pretty natural. So I might just feather different lengths throughout the sections and just create very soft texture on her. All right, so that is my plan going into the set, but if I do make changes throughout, I'll definitely be sure to keep you updated, and let's just jump right into it.